I don't know about you, but I always feel like I'm late to applying something or doing anything related to lawn care. I'm 3 days late mowing. Should have applied my fertilizer already. I'm a week late in my pre-emergent application. Yada, yada, yada. I'm actually glad I didn't do this process yet, because if I did, I would have seriously screwed things up. Timing is everything. We're in year number 3 of having these raised vegetable gardens. Strawberries, cucumbers, and sweet peppers. This year we trimmed back to strawberries. Last year they outgrew the flower bed, so we went ahead and thinned things out, dug them up, and now we're replanting them. Technically speaking, you're supposed to fertilize your strawberries after it's done and harvested. And here it's around fall time. It just depends where you live. Not in the spring. No, no, no. It can lead to mushy fruit and introduce disease, which can kill your plant entirely. However, because I replanted the strawberries, I'm gonna go ahead and fertilize them. Here's hoping for the best. The main reason I say timing is everything is because had I fertilized when I thought I needed to, I would have done it right around the time of our last frost event. Whether it's here in the garden or out here in the lawn, you should always fertilize after your last frost. Applying fertilizer right before a frost event, you're kind of playing Russian roulette. It could cause permanent damage to the plant, invite disease, or simply kill it off. When it comes to my fertilizer of choice, I like using 402 FloraGreene. Now, while it's labeled for plants, trees, and shrubs, I actually think it's the best fertilizer in the next line of products. There are a few ways to apply 402 FloraGreene. First, you can put 6 ounces of product per gallon of water in a watering can, and that will cover 1,000 square feet of bedding material. When you pour it directly at the base of the plant. This is usually my go-to method. My second method of choice is the soil drench. This is a great method for fertilizing your trees. You mix at 1/2 ounce per caliper inch, which is around the tree up to shoulder height or to the first fork. Since I have various trees, I'm going to keep things simple and apply at 3 ounces per tree. What I'm doing is I'm taking my 5-gallon bucket, filling it up with water, mixing in my 3 ounces. I'm going to let it slowly drip at the base of the plant. I'll link to a video below showing how to do this method. The third way to apply this fertilizer is by using a sprayer, either hand can, pump sprayer, backpack sprayer, what have you, and applying it directly to the leaf tissue. Once your flowers are blooming, I wouldn't use this method as it can stain. However, for trees and shrubs, this is perfect. For trees, same mix as with the soil drench, 1/2 ounce per caliper inch, but you spray around the trunk until it starts to run, and that's it. For my shrubs and flowers that have yet to bloom, I'm mixing 6 ounces per gallon, and I lightly spray right on top of the leaves. FloraGreene is such a versatile product. It really is. And to prove it, here's a video that you can watch showing how to apply this to the lawn and make your grass classy.